Hello everyone, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on handling your PC issues. Today, we are going to be talking about installing WAMP on Windows 10 machine. So here I've got my Windows 10 machine and we are going to download and install WAMP on it. So we head over to our browser and we search WAMP. So let's download from sourceforge.net, which is our first link we see from a Google search. Once opened, click on download. And click on save file. Once clicked on save file, you can view your download status by clicking on this download button. So once downloaded, we continue with our tutorial on how to install it. So when it's downloaded, we'll find it in our downloads folder. Now that I've downloaded my own WAMP server, I can head over to my downloads folder and check for my downloaded file. I come to this PC, head over to downloads, and then here is my downloaded file. I double click for it to start the installation process. Once prompted with this notification, if you really want to install it, simply take yes. Here you choose your language, English for those who speak English, and you can also use the other alternative, which is Français for French. And once chosen, simply click on OK. And then you accept the agreement and you click on next. Simply click again on next. You can read if you wish, but later on, after reading, click on next. You can choose where you want to install it. If you want to install on the default location, you simply click on next. But if you want to change the drive in which you are installing, instead of having the C drive here, you can put even your D drive, depending on any drive that you have. Simply choose from your own options that you have and you click on next. And for the default installation, you can see it's going to install us WAMP Manager Apache 2.4.41, PHP 5.6.40. It won't install PHP 7.0, PHP 7.1, PHP 7.2. But if you wish to add the installation of those, you can simply click to tick on them. So anyone you have ticked will be added to the default installation. But I want the default installation, so I'm not going to tick any of the unchecked boxes. So I'll only have the checked boxes installed on mine. So I'll simply click on OK as it is. So I'll simply click on next. And this is where the WAMP installation files and its own folders will be located. This is the name of its folder, WAMP server 64. Simply click on next. If you want to edit the name, you can change it. And these are the files that are going to be installed. Then you simply click on install. Now my installation is completed, and it took me about 2 minutes, so it just depends on your machine. If your machine has good qualities, it will take less time, and if it doesn't, it will obviously take longer time, maybe 5 minutes or more, so it depends. So taking the default browser as Internet Explorer, I'll take yes, but if you don't want it, you can take no and select Chrome or Firefox if you wish. But since I wanted Internet Explorer, I'll take yes. After taking my default as Internet Explorer, it opens up this page. So if I had to take maybe Chrome or a different explorer, I simply go to Program Files, navigate to Chrome, and then I choose the Chrome application, navigate to where it's found, and then I'll take this one. After taking on it, I'll simply click open. But I didn't want to change the default application, so I'll use the default Internet Explorer that I had. So I simply go back to where it was. Click on it, and then I click open. My default editor, Notepad, I click yes. Also, I don't want to change the default Notepad I already have. And here's the same thing that you can do as I did with the Internet Explorer, in which you could change and use Chrome if you wished. Now I'm taking Notepad. If you can see, Notepad is inside one of these files in this folder. It should be letter N. Here's the Notepad. So if I wanted to take maybe another editor like Notepad++, Atom, or Visual Studio Code, I'll simply have to know where it's located in my file system. So I'll simply navigate till I reach where it's found, and then I click on the executable file for the application, and then I'll click on open. So now that I have already my Notepad and I don't want to change, simply click open. When you see this, simply click on next. I'm simply giving you some tips. Now, what happens if not all services have been started? You should simply restart the service. That's what this prompt tells us. Click on next. Now you click on finish to exit the setup. Then now we have successfully installed our WAMP server 64 bits on a 64-bit Windows 10 machine. You can simply search for WAMP among your programs, and it appears WAMP server 64. And that's the name for the application. So simply double click on it to see how it starts. See if it was successfully installed. So, and when prompted with this notification, simply take yes. you see all these consoles, they don't mean anything, they just mean the WAMP server is loading its own maybe plugins. So you just wait while checking here to see the number of services that have been started already. Normally it has 3 services, and when they are being started, you can follow up from here. You can see here none of, you can click here, none of 2 services running, 2 services rather. So you simply wait for it to start. When it completes its process, here you can see one service has started, so let's wait for the other. Now all services are running to show we have successfully installed our WAMP server. So if you wanted to proceed to your database or your web site or web pages, simply continue with what you wanted to do by using this panel. Simply come to the notification tab, expand it, click on this green icon. Should in case all the services don't start at once, simply restart all services from this panel. That makes it easier than closing the application and going to restart it again from the start menu. So simply restart all services and wait for all the services to start as being shown to us when the application was installing. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please keep your comments and tell us how you saw the video. Thank you.